Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. In the name of Allah, the greatest and most merciful. Allah says in the Holy Quran, Wal Asr, Innal insana lafi khusr. By the time all men in the laws. Mr. President, most respectable Amir Jamaat Islami Pakistan, Siraj al-Haq Sahab, other most respectable guests, and my dear fellows. The environment of life, the starting of day, the ending of night, the shade of earth, the growth of God, the veil of death, they are all giving the message that time is all. Today my speech topic is time is precious. Mr. President, first of all, what is time? What is definition of time? Time is very, very basic and fundamental motive. Time is slow when you are wet. Time is fast when you are wet. Time is barely when you are upset. Time is so short when you are in pain. Time is so short when you are happy. Time is beautiful when you are in love. My dear brothers, time is most precious if we care, but when we lost it, time will never come again. Respectable listeners, now I am telling to you that how we can save the waste of time. Respectable listeners, first of all, we should have to take a part of time. We should have to arrange the group of life and take the part and structure to time management. My dear brothers, time is most precious. My dear Muslim brothers, Hazrat Hassan Basri Rahmatullah alayhi was quoted the line that time like a bowl. If it excludes from, it will never found again. The Englishman also said about time and said that time and time waits for none. The Dr. Nauman Ali Khan was described the importance of time and said that time is so narrow. We cannot afford the rest of time. We just pass it in playing games and watching movies and in other words. My dear Muslim brothers, nowadays we as Muslim community, we as Muslim community, we as Muslim nation, here are questions. What you are doing? What you are doing? Allah, the majority of Muslim community are wasted their major time. My dear brothers, the Arabian motto is Al-Waqtu Kasayat, Illam Taqta Fayaqta. Time like a sword. If you don't cut it, it will cut you. Time has a power. We should have to take a part. We should have to play a part. We should have to use. We should have to sacrifice for our time for Allah Almighty. Because inna salati wa nusuki wa mahyaya wa mamati lillahi rabbil alameen. My dear brothers and my dear friends, try to understand. Time is so important in our works, in our lives, in our all things. Time is so important. Time has a value. Time has a power. Time has a precious. Time like sword. Time like eyes. Time is all. Time is all. I would like to read a verse of Dr. Allama Muhammad Iqbal and take with my seat. वक्त फुर्सत है कहाँ काम अभी बाकी है वक्त फुर्सत है कहाँ काम अभी बाकी है नूरे तौहीद का इत्माम अभी बाकी है थैंक्स जज़ाकुमुल्लाहु खैरा